Teaching kids when the letter C is followed by the letter E, it often makes the sound, as in the word space and in the word dice. Begin by introducing the tricky C paper. Explain that when C is followed by E, it makes the S sound as heard in face. Proceed by writing ACE after each letter or letters to make each word. As you complete each word, read it aloud, then have kids read it aloud with you. Continue until all words are completed. Face, lace, pace, race, brace, grace, place, space, and trace. Next, give kids practice writing the words on a whiteboard following the example on the next slide. As you say a word ending in ACE, have kids write the letter or letters to make the word. Then have kids erase the word and listen for the next word to make, and so on. Now have kids write the word lace and highlight whether it is a letter or a blend. Yes, the correct letter is L, and the word letter should be highlighted. Erase and now make the word face. Yes, it begins with an F and it is a letter. Erase and make the word grace. Yes, it begins with GR and it is a blend. Now continue with the rest of the words you want them to practice. Place and space. Now have kids work with ICE just as they did with ACE. Proceed by writing ICE, ice, after each letter or letters to make each word. And then as you complete each word, read it aloud, then have kids read it aloud with you. Continue until all words are completed. Dice, mice, nice, rice, advice, price, slice, spice, and twice. Next, give kids practice writing the words on a whiteboard following the example on the next side. As you say a word ending in ICE, have kids write the letter or letters to make the word. Then have kids erase the word and listen for the next word to make, and so on. As before, have the whiteboard ready for use, and as you say a word, have kids write the beginning letter or blend. Nice, rice, slice, spice, and price. This is a template for kids to use during this activity. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you. And as always, I will leave a link for all the teaching templates in the description section.